Okay, this video aims to show a user, an admin user, how to add other users to their Google Analytics account. A common scenario would be that for a website owner, they've got Google Analytics. It's possible that it was created by a third party, and they need to make sure that they've got access. Ultimately, my belief is that your Google Analytics account is your account, and what you don't want to do every time you change web hosts or web designers is to create a new account. The account should follow you, not the service provider. So you've logged into Google Analytics, so analytics.google.com, and down the bottom left hand corner of the nav bar there you've got admin, so you would click on that cog and you get presented with this area, and you've got the account, and treat the account like your company basically. You've got the properties are basically domains, and then you've got views, which we don't need to worry about today, but a domain can have multiple views. So for an example might be you have a second view where you exclude internal traffic. But for today, all we're interested in is giving another user access to your account. So under the account level, and again you can see you've got user management at the view and property level, but for this instance under the account level we click on user management. This is just my personal domain, there's nothing there, so there's only one user, which is me, and obviously I've already got access using my company email address. But in this scenario, let's say I would click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner to give another user access, and I would type in another Google account. And it's important to understand this email address is going to be an email address that's associated with a Google account. You can't just put in any random email and it would work. If it is a first time using an email, then Google would then invite you to create a Google account. But most of us have already got an email address that's associated with Google because we use other services such as Google Ads or Gmail or Google Photos, whatever it might be. Under the settings here you've got various permissions: edit, collaborate, read, analyze and manage users, and again you just need to read those, understand what they mean and check the boxes accordingly. For people like myself as a third party, that would be what I would ask for by default, and then the optional backup of having the ability to manage users. But of course if you give a third party manage user access, then that person can invite other users into your account, so you may not want to add that in most scenarios. And that's it. Top right hand corner again, you click on add, and you've now got 2 users added to your Google Analytics account, and life is good.